Get it every day like 9 to 5, hoping that you're home so I could swing by. Frustrated with my boss and the bullshit. Show me different ways that we could fix this. I'm not the type to let you know my body, it yearns for yours. Let's keep this spin on high. We 'bout to sweat it out tonight. Say it.